Farmer's boy.
One dark night a poor boy went to the house of farmer. He said to the farmer,
I am not a beggar. I will work for you. I will plow your lands. My father is dead. My mother is poor. I am hungry. Please give me some food.
The farmer's wife was sorry for the boy. She said to the farmer,
Do not drive away this boy.
She turned to the boy and said,
Stay here. We will give you food.
The farmer's daughter liked the boy. She said to her father,
Do not drive him away. He is not an idle beggar.
The boy lived with the farmer. He worked hard in the fields. They all loved him. The boy grew up. He became a man. After some time the farmer died. Then his wife also died. The boy married the farmer's daughter.
I am now a happy man. I came to this house on a lucky day,
Said the boy.